Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. It is paper pumpkin time and look at this gorgeous kit. It is the Daisy Daydream March 2025 kit. I apologize about being a day late with this one, but I was traveling back from convention yesterday and this just hit my doorstep this morning. So we are going to double up on alternate cards tomorrow. But today I'll run through what's in the kit, the things that might coordinate with it, you might have in your stash, you might want to have in your stash, and then we'll do the projects and an alternate for today. So I will catch up tomorrow. So we open our beautiful, beautiful kit, and we've got our instructions. Look at those gorgeous, gorgeous cards and the envelopes. So we've got our full color instructions. Along with our measuring tape down the side. We've got an overview of all the pieces, and we've got the full kit on the back and the coordinating colors: basic black, crumb cake, crushed curry, lemon lime twist, one of my favorites, Lost Lagoon, mossy meadow, soft sea foam, another favorite, and very vanilla. And of course it does coordinate with the spring is in the air dies. We've got the beehive and the bumblebee that will coordinate. So we've got all of that. And this month we've got our Lost Lagoon block, our stamp pad, our Stampin' spot, and we have got 2 stamp sets. We've got a bonus stamp set. So this is the beehive. It's called Happiest Hive, and it's happy birthday, hello, and this beautiful corner daisy. And then with our Daisy Daydream set that goes with the kit, we've got thank you for always being there for me. We've got the bumblebee, and we can fill in the bumblebee's wings. How cool is that? We've got the hive. We've got wishing you brighter days ahead. Thank you, sweetest birthday wishes, and we can fill in the bee body as well. And enjoy your special day. So we've got 2 stamp sets in this kit. We've got our dimensionals. Oh, and we've got sticky strips as well, and we've got some adhesive dots. So let's go through these envelopes. You know that I'm going to do one of my little gift bag envelopes out of these, and Easter's coming, so what a perfect time to do that. So we have got 3 envelopes like this, 3 envelopes like this with that bumblebee on it, and 3 envelopes with the daisies. Now, I can't decide which one right now I'm going to do the gift bag out of, but I might even make it out of all of them. So what have we got for our kit? Oh, look at that sneak peek at the die cuts at the end. So we've got our card bases. So we've got these 3 card bases here. How gorgeous is that? Front and back, you know those are going to be cut apart. And we've got our vellum pieces. And then we've got some of our blue card bases along with our die cut card fronts. And then we've got this card base. I don't know if you can see, it's kind of got yellow kind of smushed all over it. And then, oh, look at those gorgeous, gorgeous beehives. And then we've got some more die cuts, and then those beautiful, look at the bumblebees and the daisies and the leaves. I cannot wait to get going on this kit. So we've got 3 pages of those, and then we've got our die cuts for our greetings, and that is our kit. But before I go, I just want to show you a couple of sets that might go really, really well with this. If you've still got your daisy lane, that will be perfect with this, but you can also use the You Are Remarkable set. I believe this is an online exclusive, but it would be perfect with this. And honestly, I think that the greetings, where's my piece of paper with the greetings on it? The font is very similar, so you could absolutely combine your greetings if you wanted to, and it would look very similar. And we've got the Cheerful Daisy set, which I believe was in the catalog, and the dies that go with that. So we have that as an option as well. And for those who went to On Stage, you will have seen this. This was the Stamping After Hours piece. This is going to be, I can't remember if it's in the new catalog or not, but it's definitely available when the new catalog goes live. So this is the Impressions of Bloom, So we've got backgrounds and details for each of the flowers and for the leaf, and then we've got detailed centers, the stem there. And look at these dies. How awesome are those? I love these, and I will be using this die in one of the alternates. And there are other ways to achieve that card, but anyway. And I will be using the Daffodil Delight ribbon to go along with these, and I'll be pulling in the Floral Delight Designer Series paper as well. So there is tons to look forward to with this set. I can't wait to get started. So the next video will be project number 1.